Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPad 10th Gen. Begin by opening App Store on iPad and Play Store on an Android. Following that, you need to click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now on iPad, you need to click on Ask app not to track or allow. Then select Allow access to all photos for this app to work properly. Click on Don't allow or allow in notification pop-up. And finally, tap on the best option for you. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Finally, tap on Close this window and choose OK. Now on an Android, you need to choose Open. Click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. And then tap on Not now over here if you wish to. And tap on OK. Finally, click on the bottom left corner on Send on your Android and Receive over here on iPad. Now you can select all of those files by tapping on all of those dots from those categories, and when you're ready, click in Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them properly. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and then click on Got It. From here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting the scanning icon here above User's Guide, choosing OK in the pop-up and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and then click on Receive button. Now you need to choose allow or don't allow, in this pop-up and wait. On your Android, click on one of those options and then tap on Close this window. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!